In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Midjourney to your Discord server. So as an example, first of all, you need to go and open your Discord, whether do you have it downloaded or not. Just go and add it or log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, just go and create an account. So once you do so, you should find yourself in such a place. So now you can go as an example on this list panel and here click on the plus button, which you will be able to add the server. So once you do so here, you can go and click down and join the server. So once you do so here, as you can see, you'll be able to enter the invite link of it. As an example, if you go here and type Midjourney and hit on join server, as you can see, so we'll be taken to Midjourney and we'll be able to take in or join their server. So now once we do this, I can just go here. As an example, I can go into this newcomer like rooms and click on any here chats. As you can see, I'll be able to see everything. What I'll need to do next also is just click on show like the members list, as you can see at the top left in here or top right. Once I do so, I should be able to see those stuff right here. So if I go here to the Midjourney bot and click on it, then click as an example on their icon, I'll be able to see, as you can see, the Midjourney bot right here. So if I go and click on add app, as you can see, so Mid-Journey bot, and you'll be able to generate images based on text prompts in under 60 seconds using this image. So you can see from here terms of service. Now you can add to your apps example or add to server. So for me, I'm just going to click on add server. And as you can see for me, I don't own any server right here. So I'll have to go back simply and create a very fast server. Yeah, create, it doesn't matter how it is. I'm just going back now to the Midjourney server, and here I'm going to do the same. So click on add app, add to server, and I should be able to find my server. Click on continue, give it all the stuff that you want. You can even disable some stuff. Click on authorize, and it should be, of course, yeah, I am a human, and it should be added to your server without any problem. So I can go here to the server, and as you can see, Midjourney bot enjoyed or joined my server. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.